problem is to write a Python program to find the size or resolution of an image. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain, and in this video we will learn how to write a program in Python that will allow us to find the size or image resolution. So guys, what is size or image resolution? For example, if you have any image, the width and the height of that image is the resolution. That means it's the size of an image. So how we can find it in Python? So Python has a huge library which has a lot of packages, lots of modules inside it. So one of those modules is PIL, that means a pillow module that allows us to work with the images. So here we will be using our PIL library. With the help of PIL library, we will be using our size attribute, image.size attribute, with the help of which we will be finding the size or resolution of an image. So let's have a look on how it can be done. So as I said, we will be using our PIL library. For that, first of all, we'll be writing import. I'll be importing PIL. Okay. So after importing the PIL module, the next thing that we need to do is we need to go to the location of that image, and after going to the location of that image, we need to open it. So to open it, or that means to read the image, first of all, what we will be doing, we'll be creating a variable over here. So for opening that image, what we'll be doing, we'll be writing that from PIL. We'll be importing image, because we are going to work on image over here, and I'll be creating a variable called as image. Image is equals to, that means it's just img. Img is a short form for image, and image is equals to PIL dot image dot open, because we want to open the image. Now inside the double quotations, what we will do, we'll go towards the location of that image. So now to get the location over here, all I need to do is go to my file explorer. In my file explorer on my desktop, I have a folder called as images2. Inside this, I have one image, that is images.png. I want to know the size of this image. Now how to know it by using Python is very simple. That first of all, you get the location over here. So for the location, I'll just click over here on the top, and you can see I get the location over here. I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here. And I'll convert all the backward slashes to the forward slashes. After writing images2, you need to give the name of that image. For the name of that image, you can again go back over there, right click on it, and you can click on properties. And here you will find images.png. Here at the same time, you can also find the location over here, and you can also find images.png, that is the name of the image. So you can copy it from here, and as soon as you come back over here, you can paste it and write images.png. Now I want to know its size over here, that means its width and the height. So I'll be creating two variables called as width, comma, height. And inside this, what I will store, I'll be writing image.size. And lastly, I'll print. Now how to write the image resolution? We write the image resolution by 200 by 400 or 400 by 200. That means we write the cross in between. So we'll be writing the width, comma. For the cross, I'll be taking a string. Inside that, I'll be passing x, and then comma, and then height. Now, as soon as I run it, let's see what output we will get over here. So you can see I'm getting the output 274 cross 184. That is the size, or that is the resolution of our image. So I hope guys that this is clear how to find the size or the image resolution. All you need to do is use the PIL module, that is the pillow module, and from the PIL module, we will be importing image. After that, we need to open the image by writing image is equals to PIL.image.open. Which image we want to open? For that, we need to give the location of that particular image and write the name of the image in the end. Convert all the backward slashes into the forward slashes. After that, we need to create two variables, width and height, which will store the value of image.size. That means image.size is carrying two parameters over here, that is the width and the height. The first value is the width and the second value is the height. After that, we just need to print it. For printing, all we need to do is write width. After that, we need to put a comma, and because the image resolution is given by x in between, so we'll be writing the x inside the string, and then we'll be writing the height. So I hope you guys have no doubts and no questions in this program, and for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.